In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on a Confluence page, whiteboard, or diagram. This is a quick but essential skill for getting a better overview of your content, whether you're reviewing a long page, stepping back from a brainstorming whiteboard, or seeing an entire diagram at once. Start by opening the specific Confluence page, whiteboard, or diagram you want to zoom out from. Make sure you're on the exact area you want to view. This ensures that when you change the zoom level, you're adjusting the right thing, either the whole browser page or just the canvas inside a diagram tool. If you're working directly on a regular Confluence page in your browser, use the browser's zoom out shortcut. On Windows, press Control and the minus key. On a Mac, press Command and the minus key. Tap the shortcut a few times to step down gradually until more of the page comes into view. This changes the zoom for the entire tab, including the page's sidebars and toolbars, which is helpful if you want a broader view of everything. If you're inside a diagram canvas, use the shortcut method the diagram tool shows. Many diagram editors display a small hint on the canvas or in their help menu, indicating which key to hold while you adjust zoom. Hold that key as indicated by the tool. Then scroll down or use the on-screen zoom controls to zoom out. Most diagram canvases provide a minus button or a percentage control near the edge of the canvas. Clicking that minus button will step you out cleanly. This keeps the browser zoom unchanged and only scales the diagram area, which is ideal if you want to keep the rest of the interface readable. Keep adjusting the zoom level until you can comfortably see more of the page or the entire canvas. A good target is being able to spot section headings, shape groups, or frame boundaries without straining. If text becomes too small, ease back in slightly until you strike a balance between context and readability. If you go too far, use the reset zoom option to return to normal size. Most browsers offer a reset to 100%, and many diagram tools have a reset or fit to 100% button near the zoom controls. One click brings everything back to a familiar scale. Once the zoom level looks right, continue editing or viewing. You'll find it easier to navigate, spot relationships, and make precise changes now that you have the right perspective.